morning, hope everybody's well. I've come out on a cold, wet day for a mid-February for a walk up on the Marsden hills. I've just come out of Marsden and I'm on my way up now to the hills. See what I can find up there. It's a wet, miserable day. I'm laid up nicely, I've got a lot of clothes on. So that will be coming off as I start climbing the hill because I get hot very, very quickly. I don't want to sweat, that's for certain. Not on a cold day like this. It looks a bit cloudy on top, but I can see the top of the hill, so it may be I might be able to get a couple of good views up there. It's not a great area, Huddersfield and around there. This area really, very industrial. But once you get out of the sort of major towns and get up onto the hills, then it's become spectacularly beautiful. So that's where I'm planning to go now, up on the hills, up on the Pennines, and let's see what we can discover. Because as I say, I've not been up this area before. Right, let's crack on, and I'll see you at the top. Just went and got my poles out, and then just putting the camera on my chest, and my pole's fallen. One of my poles has fallen down there, so I think I'll have to try and find a way to get down there and pick my pole up again. But let's give it a go anyway. Always the way. goes away, which is fantastic. And there we go, into the reservoir. It goes. Well, I'm walking back down into Marsden after a very windy and drizzly walk, but very enjoyable. I loved it very much. So I certainly will be coming back here again. That's a certain fact. As I say, I was humming and ahhing about it, but it turned out really good.